So this was like around COVID. So prisoners can go on strike and shut the prison. But also it's constitutional rights. Amen. I don't know about this constitution. Not so long ago, we saw Utabo Bester, telling the judge about his rights, that he deserved to have a laptop so to prepare for his case. Amen.
Here silane Sun City prison Medium B. Ibosho zakhona zistrikile la eSun City abasikhiphe ejele akusetshenzwa just overcrowding ulamula nakhona sazi ukuthi into lento ayenzayo alokathi kunabantu abama long term nabantu bama short term asathi is confused manje siphume ejele eSun City Medium B hlezi abantu abaphume ejele into esiconcern ngayo lana ngapha ku overcrowding convict silanda ngama 33 embedeni manje asazi nathi sesikhathelwa sick and tired nathi singabantu sinama feelings sifana nabanye abantwana izolo enye member yethu silahlekele izolo omunye umfethu ama ex inmates naye akasekho emhlabeni asazi ukuthi yini izinto ezenzakala la eSun City bafihla izinto